Here I have Realme C21, and today I'm going to show you how to get iOS volume slider on this device. So as you can see right now, I have the standard one volume slider, which look like this, but you can also you can actually download the app Volume Styles, customize your volume panel slider. Then you have to open it, tap start, then grant permission for the accessibility services here. And now to get the iOS volume slider, you have it here. Tap on it, and as you can see now my volume slider looks like this. Wow. There's actually another iOS volume slider there in this app. You have the one which looks like this, iOS 12, and this is another volume slider like on iOS devices. And I guess I saw another one, this alternate horizontal. Wow. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.